Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Mohammad Asim. I'm working as DevOps engineer. Guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how we can set up the highly available infrastructure through Cloudflare tunnels, and we are going to use two Kubernetes cluster in two different accounts. And I'm going to show you, I saw a video regarding this Amazon EKS hybrid nodes. So I'm going to show you how we can achieve this same setup through Cloudflare tunnels. I taken the example of this GCP setup with two different accounts. You see, this is one account in Mozilla, and if you navigate to this, so this is a separate account and we have our application running, right? So guys, if you want to see a detailed video regarding that, I've already created a video. You can watch
Let
that
AI help
particular
kick
video, right? You can watch that particular video. Anyway, let's go to the setup. So guys, this is going to be a quick video where I'm going to show you the same setup we can achieve. Either you use GKE or EKS or whatever, or your on-premises infrastructure, we can achieve that through Cloudflare tunnels. So guys, this is our Cloudflare tunnels. You see, it is healthy. So guys, what I have done, I've applied the tunnels on both the cluster. You see, let's navigate to this section. You see, this is the Cloudflare namespace. In fact, running, you see, namespace is this one, and these are the three tunnels applied in this account, right? And if I navigate to this section, and let me show you, and this is the same stuff I applied here, right, in a different account. Okay, so tunnels are running, everything is working fine. So if you navigate to this section, you see three of the pods of my application are running. So what I've done a little image update in one of the pods, right, like three pods. And if I navigate to this section, if you click this guy, you will see these are the pods running. So guys, our setup in previous demo is something like I use the Traefik as an ingress controller, and everything is going to be internal. We are exposing our services, but the point is that that service is going to call the Traefik internally. The same stuff I've applied here, right? So if I click this guy, I just want to show you quickly, right? And if you click this Traefik, so this is our application app, and if I do click configure, sorry, edit, you see this is HTTPS traffic internally calling to this guy, right? And just want to show you the setting quickly. So guys, this is applied on both the cluster. If I refresh it, you will see that it is going to do load balance, right? And it is load balancing on the pods. So if I navigate to this section, so if you see the current pod is P2Q8K with P28K, right? If I continually refresh, you see, you see it is changed. So this is the change I've done intentionally. So this is a different image. What it does, it is going to route this traffic to these pods. So if I try to continuously refresh it, it is going to, you see, back to do the load balancing on two different clusters. So what we have currently now, it is the pod NB8W2, right? So it should be somewhere here, right? So NB8W2, I'm reading the last part of the pod. So just want to give you that illustration that how we can easily achieve the same setup of hybrid nodes, what just EKS has, AWS EKS is released. We can simply achieve through Cloudflare tunnels, and we can achieve it securely and doing the load balancing on our cluster. So definitely in our case, in a production case, it is going to be the same application. So just to illustrate to see how it is going to be working. So you see, let me show you some of the stuff. So we set up in the past video Traefik as well. So if I navigate back to this section, workload, you see Traefik with 5 pods. Cloudflare tunnel is sending traffic to these Traefik internally, and by default Traefik has internal I mean certificate, which is going to be, it is going to be automatically rotated. So these tunnels calling from this cluster, routing the traffic to this, and if I navigate to this section, so similar stuff. So this these Cloudflare tunnels sending traffic to these traffic internally. So I just, you see, I mean set up a different image on that. So let me show you what we have done from this side. If I think you got the point. So in this application, right, so what different is that is only image is going to be different. So by default I was using this image, so I intentionally changed this image to this, right? So this is our application, which is actually on this cluster, which is actually here, right? And this is the application. So I mean we can see that as well. So if I click one of the pod, anyway the length of the video is going to be too much, but if it shows from here, I think it shows the image as well. Okay, anyway let me go to back to our discussion, right? So where we were, okay. So okay, got it. So okay, now what we are going to do, we are going to see some of the stuff what we have inside our in traffic ingress controller, right? So if I click this ingress and if I click this app deployment, so this is what we are using normally, right? So the point is that how you can achieve the same stuff whether you are on two GCP cluster, whether you are in EKS or on premises, you can achieve through Cloudflare tunnel and securely, right? So simply I just going back, and this is how easy it is to achieve that securely, and all your internal applications are going to be not just expose you, I mean you exposed externally, it is going to do load balancing internally, and it is going to be from different clusters, right? So this is how you can achieve the highly available setup your infrastructure. Thank you guys. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe the channel. Have a nice day. Thank you.